Hello, friends. Welcome back to Quick Bites, the podcast that brings you bite-sized nuggets of culinary knowledge. I'm thrilled to be your host today, and we are diving into a world of flavor with a delicious savory and crispy dish called Frico. Frico is an Italian delicacy that will leave your taste buds singing. It's a simple but mouth-watering preparation of cheese and potatoes that typically features Montasio or Asiago cheese. The dish comes from the Friuli region in Northeastern Italy, where it has deep roots. And this is, if you're looking for a dish that has stood the test of time, this may be the right place. With a rich history dating back centuries, it's clear that this recipe has something unique to offer. It was also born out of a need to use leftover cheese and potatoes, making it a sustainable and an economical choice. The Friulian shepherds in the mountains needed hearty, portable food to sustain them during their long work hours, and Frico certainly fit the bill perfectly. It has since become a staple of the territory's cuisine with various recipes passed down through generations. You probably wonder how to make it. And trust me, it's surprisingly simple. Begin by thinly slicing or grating your cheese. Next, slice some waxy potatoes into thin rounds or julienne strips. Prevent sticking by heating a non-stick skillet with olive oil or butter over medium heat. Once the skillet is hot, arrange a layer of potatoes in the shape of a pancake. Sprinkle the top with a generous amount of cheese and cook until the cheese becomes golden and crispy. And if you are patient, just wait. You can also experiment with Frico by adding fresh herbs, spices, or thinly sliced onion for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless. And it is an excellent way to use what you have in your pantry. Flip the Frico over and cook the other side until it's beautifully browned on both sides. Once ready, slide it into a plate and let it cool slightly before breaking it into pieces. The result is a delicious, cheesy, crispy delight you'll want to savor repeatedly. Frico is also a delicious and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed in many ways. For instance, I'm suggesting as an appetizer, or perhaps served alongside a crispy salad, or even an antipasto platter. It pairs very well with roasted meats or grilled vegetable as a side dish. And of course, as a snack, it's an excellent, quick and tasty bite option. The crispy and cheesy mixture makes it perfectly a complement to a glass of wine or a cold beer. And whether entertaining guests or looking for a simple yet satisfying meal, Frico is an excellent choice. In conclusion, dear listeners, I highly recommend trying Frico. It's not that difficult to make, and this dish boasts a unique and unforgettable culinary experience to its rich history, simplicity, and its incredible taste. Remember to tune in to Quick Bites for more delicious culinary knowledge. Eat well and stay healthy. Until the next time. Ciao, ciao.